Hi guys, today I'm going to review the G-Shock GM-110. Let's get right into it and see what's in the box. Okay, so this is the user guide with all the features and parameters to set up the watch. This is the G-Shock International Warranty Card. You can write your info, model, date of purchase, and there is an official dealer stamp. And another manual with the G-Shock area warranty. I think we are done with the boring things. Now, let's unbox the watch. Alright, here is the hexagon G-Shock box, which match perfectly with what I'm wearing today. Whoa. That's a very good looking watch. It's shiny and classic. Yes, this watch has all these features. Shock resistant, 20 bar water resistance, stopwatch, and super Illuminator. The metal used for the watch case is stainless steel and it's a resin band. There is also the mineral glass described as tough and resists scratching. I feel like this watch will be unbreakable. I won't test to hammer it, but I think it can live forever on my wrist. The build quality feels great, the aesthetic looks great, so next I will test it. I did wear it in multiple conditions. Underwater when surfing, on the court when playing, and under my shirt when working. With the 3 years battery life, you are always on time. The shock-resistant construction protects against impact vibration, and the water resistance classification 20 bar lets you free diving. With the full auto LED light, at night you can see the time by turning the wrist or by pressing one of the 4 buttons. And there are alarms, stopwatch, timer, and even a world time function. One con, this is not a smartwatch. It lacks all the features that a smartwatch can offer. However, with this G-Shock, you have 3 years of battery life. I also have a smartwatch and the battery life is very poor, only 1.5 days. So, if you don't want to waste your time to charge your watch, this G-Shock can be a good alternative. That being said, I give it a 4 stars rating. If you like this video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. See you in the next one.